morning, guys, and welcome back to a new school year. This is the first week and I'm only preparing lunch for 2 kids. It's bittersweet and I don't want to cry, so let's get into this video. This is Destiny. She is my 6th grader, and this is Jaxson. He is my 2nd grader. My 7th grader, let's not talk about it. Let's just do this. I'll be back. I can't. Okay, so Destiny's gonna have a salad. And I have some cheese. She has some ranch here, some turkey, cheese for her cracker, carrot, mandarin orange. These are, they're like little vanilla, I forgot the name. If I find the box, I'll insert it. And then first week of school, so I get her fruit punch. Her little lunch notes. And then Jaxson, he's having yogurt, his cracker, his cheese, his turkey, his ranch for his carrots. Same thing as Destiny. And he's having a mandarin. I don't know why I didn't open this instead of this one, because this would have been, but he's a big boy, he'll be fine. And then we are using our Yoda lunch bags. I will leave the link down below where you guys can purchase these. They're very roomy, and I'm excited to be using them this school year. So I will see you guys after school today. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so it's back after school on Monday, and this is Jackson's. Jaxson, you just drinking your juice? Yes. Oh, good job. Good job, buddy. You had everything? Good job, Jaxson. Okay, so this is Destiny. This thing leaked. I think she didn't close this on the line.
I didn't. I think I was like, close it properly. Why is it leaking? Oh.
Okay. She did good. Yeah, she did good. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I didn't even know there were.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Wednesday, 2nd day of school, and today we're using our blue alley containers. It's just 2 kids. I'm still trying to get used to just having 2 kids again. They're gonna have just a stuffed pita sandwich. Is it a sandwich? Can you call it a sandwich? It is a sandwich. And then we have chips. So I figure I'll make it simple. I put some ranch in that container so that they can dip their. It's mine. It's not yours.
It's mine.
No, it's not yours. I'm not about to argue with my toddler. Not doing it. They're gonna have pudding. They're each gonna have pudding. They each chose the same thing. We still have our fruit punch going, and then how cute. How cute. So they have the spoon for their pudding, and I don't know, I don't have to use the fork. There's nothing for them to use the fork with. But, and then this band goes over. So I'm gonna show you guys how you pack up this container. And then this is their snack for the day. Well, they don't really need snack, but this is just a sweet treat for them after school. So they both got the same thing. It's just a peanut butter cookie covered in chocolate, and then some Big Bars, and that's what they're gonna have today. And this is, I just cut the pita in half, so it's 1 whole pita for both of them, and then I stuff it with lettuce, cheese, and turkey, and then I went ahead and cut it in half, and then used these picks to keep it together. And that's what they're gonna have for lunch. So stay tuned. Let me show you guys how to wrap these up. Okay. Oh, it's stuck on the counter.
Mommy,
Your turn. There you go. It's after school on, what's the day? Wednesday?
Wednesday.
The snack bag is empty. It's empty. I do this for one here. Snack bag is empty. All I gotta do is wipe this out. This is Destiny. I'll wash that. And then we have the garbage container. Gotta let the air out. Ooh, okay. Good job. Good job. Ranch gone. Everything is gone. Good job, Destiny. This is Jaxson. Jaxson? All your snack is done? Yep.
Yeah.
All of it's gone. And then
Nothing is eaten.
oh, gotta let out the end. Thank you, my little helper. Thank you so much. All gone. I could have done better with the ranch, but he did good. Proud of you. Good job. He brought the juice back because he said he didn't know how to open it, so I showed him how to open it just now. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Thursday. Whew, this week is going by pretty fast. Someone accidentally put the grapes in the freezer. I do eat my grapes frozen, so that's why they probably thought that their grapes went in the freezer. So they're gonna have frozen grapes today on accident. We have some peanut, a fig bar, a turkey and cheese on a Hawaiian roll, some Fritos or corn chips, regular chips, and applesauce in their juice because I ran out, not juice, water, because I ran out of juice, which is good. This bottle for Jaxson broke, but because I'm no longer preparing lunch for the twins, he figured he would take that one. And this is having the exact same thing. So we'll see you guys after school today. Bye, guys. Okay, so after school on Thursday. This is Destiny, and she did pretty good. Waters. You didn't drink your water, dude. What did you drink?
The water.
She left one.
That's because I left on the floor.
Oh, it fell on the floor? Okay.
I'm gonna put it in the trash.
Okay. This is what? Fig bar? Okay. And this is peanut, all gone. And ice pack is still cold. And that's Destiny. Mr. Jaxson. Water's gone. Proud of him. Let's see. Oh, good job, Jack. His grape's gone. He didn't do so good on his peanuts. And he still have his fig bar.
I like the lunch. It's just that I didn't have time.
You didn't have time? Mommy pack you too much?
I only had 3 more minutes.
Okay, so he left his. You want it?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it. Oh, yeah.
You gonna eat the peanuts, Jaxson? Yes.
I feel like these containers.
I tried to eat all
And
them.
it had ice pack is still cold.
I tried to
And then he got tons of peanut in there.
I tried to eat peanut.
So we shall see you guys tomorrow, which is Friday. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. I'm struggling today. I don't know why. Maybe because it's the last day of this week. Destiny's gonna have carrot. I love these little containers. These are from the Blue Ellie lunch box. So that has her ranch. This is Chelo, corn chips, pita. These little pita breads. There's like 3 of them stacked, filled with peanut butter, jelly, and this is her mandarin orange, and it fits perfect in this little Sistema container, because every time they go to open their mandarin orange in the jar, it spills on them, so it fits perfect. I gave them 2 little chocolate peanut butter covered chocolate cookies as a little treat after they finish their food. And let's see if this covers up nicely. Yep, there you go. So that's Miss Destiny. I just want to hear that snap. No, it's not gonna work. Oh man. I'm gonna have to put a rubber band over it. Oh, I'm gonna put this over here. Jackson's having the same thing, and I won't be doing after school because I'm gonna post this video on Friday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this week of lunch videos. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to comment, because shout outs are coming back. So if you want a shout out, comment in the video each week, and I will do a shout out the following week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.